Good morning, children. Today, I'm just going to give you the chapter number 5 of moral science, all in one rhythm. I'm going to explain you this. In that, basically, they have stressed on teamwork. So, what does teamwork means? Like 4 to 5 persons are working on a particular project. So, what happens? They work together for the project. Each one, whatever capabilities the person has, he or she will be using that to make the project successful. Like suppose you are going to make, just I am giving you an example, you have to make a chart. Suppose one child is good at calligraphy, other is good at drawing, third is good at coloring, fourth is good at making the borders. So that means when all together all of you work on that, then the chart will be very beautiful. But if each one separately makes the charts, so that will not give such a good output as it is when it is done teamwork. That means 5 qualities join and then you get the output. Similarly, it's a combined effective action which a group takes. And for what purpose? For the execution of the goal. All 5 persons or all 6 persons in the group, they have the same goal, and for the effective execution of the goal, each one is working to reach or attain the goal. Then in the chapter, they have given Cristiano Ronaldo's interview type. What he said that it doesn't matter who scores the goals as long as the team is winning. So if there's a match, suppose, so that doesn't make any difference who has scored more, because whatever scores one person gets, that is going to make the complete team winner. So that hardly matters who is scoring the goals, because that is coming to the complete team. And if the team is winning, you need not look into who is scoring, because each one is working with the same goal. Then similarly, a single tree, if cannot make a forest, if we have to work on a forest or we look into the forest, we enjoy that is made by so many trees. Similarly, when so many persons join to work, the output is the best. And every day's work, like each time, each day's work task, even we cannot do single-handedly. So he is saying, Cristiano Ronaldo is saying that I was a different person earlier and used to take the responsibility all by myself. I used to work my own self separately, but and the other members also did not appreciate this sense. But I found, he is explaining himself, that I found that I was very responsible according to me. And after that he said that after some time I realized that it should not be done this way, but when the work is done in a team, so that means all the qualities of all the persons join, and that gives the better work. And each person has the sense of belongingness for the work. Whatever goal is set, that all work for the single goal, and all have the belongingness that I belong to this group and I have to complete the project. So the goal of each person is the same. Then a Sufi saint's example has been quoted in the chapter. He says that spiritual treasure, it is said that it could be found all alone. But then he says that if the spiritual treasure can be found all alone, then why we are assembling here for the gatherings? That means that although the spiritual treasure has to be done all alone, but still for that we need the teamwork to start with it. So we need to have a gathering, and how to start, how to work on it, we need to first listen and first do that. And in a teamwork, but we have to be careful while we are working in a team. It should not be that the other one is pulling leg of each other. We are not pulling legs of each other. It should be let everybody grow as they want. It's not pulling the legs, because each one, when you are working together, may have different ideas, may have different views, and may have different methods of working. So it's not that each one you start keep on pulling the legs then the teamwork is unsuccessful. So for that, what is to be done? You need to tolerate the other person and let each one grow as they want to grow. So after that, in the chapter, they have given you an example of the ants. So ants, when they work together, they can carry a sugar cane which is 100 times heavier than their weight. That example has been given. So with the help of mutual aid, they can carry 100 times heavier sugar cane for their own self. And similarly, example of geese, that is very important, has been given. Geese always fly in V shape with the leader in front and the remaining geese line up at the back. By this, it reduces the effort. V shape reduces the efforts, and there are so many points given along with it. So each one of you, that is important, I am telling you. Geese, the whatever inspirational messages we get from that is important, normally asked. Okay, so geese V-shape flying, that reduces the effort of each of the geese, and it's given that if one geese falls down or is not well, so two geese will take care of them till the geese rejoins or dies. So two geese are always there to look after the fallen geese. If the geese recovers, then also all three together move, or if the geese dies, then two of them then only leave that geese there. So that is, some points are given, like sense of belongingness should be there when we work for a goal. We should share the common good. We should encourage others. Then take rotation of responsibilities. It's not that only one person is working, the others are enjoying. It should be rotation of the responsibilities. So special care should be given to each member of the team. Okay, then they have given a small story about two persons. They were working. There was a farmer. He was looking into. Two persons were working there on the road. One was drilling a hole on the side of the road, and other was putting mud in that. So the person went and asked that, what are you doing, two of you, because that is not going to give any output if you are taking out the mud, putting a hole and then putting the mud inside. So the person said that actually the third person along is not present, who has to plant the trees. So that is why we are just digging the holes and preparing the mud to plant the trees. So that means if one person is missing, the teamwork is useless. Okay, so that does not give any output if one or two persons are missing in a team. So each one has to work together for the completeness of the goal. So this, I've taken the basic points for this chapter. Now all of you can just go through the chapter. Any doubt you have, any questions you have, you can consult me. Okay, it's an easy chapter, it's not at all difficult. You can look into anything you do not understand, you can message and you can ask. Okay, thank you, children.